Hi, my name is Fan. Today I will make a very easy, colorful dish. First, I need the stir-fried eggs. Then you take out. You put the green onion, purple onion to the wok. Put the sliced carrots and the chicken go together. In the end, we put the bell peppers. Please subscribe us so you won't miss any new videos from us. Thank you. Okay, let's go. When the wok is hot, put some oil. You need to put a little more. We need to stir fry the eggs. You turn the heat to the high level. Because the oil is not very hot, so the egg takes time to be ready. It's okay. We just stir gently. We don't need to wait for the egg is fully cooked because later we will add that. We take out the eggs. You add 2 drops oil. Put the purple onion, green onion into the wok. Smells so good. Wow. Okay, let's put the carrots. I didn't pre-boil to make it soft for the carrots, so it takes time to be ready. That's why I'm adding in the carrots in the beginning. Now you turn to the heat to the medium because we have a few oil. If the wok is too high, it's really quick to burn. And turn to the brown color. That's when you turn brown. Now we put the chicken in. Now the chicken has some water is coming out. That's good because that water can soften the carrots. So we don't need the actual water for that. Oh, it smells so good, right? No, why? Okay. You just told me a joke. The carrots is the most hard to cook in the ingredients. It takes time. So as long as the carrots is soft, we can continue, and the dish almost be ready in 1 minute. So now that's the longest part. I think I need to cover the wok for 1 minute toward the lower, so in order to soften the carrots. Okay, and then we continue. This is after 1 minute on the low heat. I cut on carrots and see if that's softened enough. It's good because it's really easy to cut. Continue. We put a high heat, and then we put down the bell peppers, and then just stir fry it together. Oh, after you stir fry 1 minute, you can see that the peppers is softened. Now we put the half teaspoon soy sauce. I used to eat the small slice of the other veggie. That's why I cut it to small pieces. And also it's really quick to be ready. We put the beautiful eggs. That's when all my kids love it. Yeah, almost done. We stir the fry. Remember, because the egg is half cooked, so we need to stir and then make it fully cooked. And then we can taste it and see if you need actual salt or soy sauce for the dish. If you like, you can put a little bit of black pepper for extra flavor. Let me see. The carrot is soft. Tastes so good. I don't need to add extra salt. It's perfect. Let's put the black peppers. Yeah, 咱准备要蒸。Lower the heat to the middle level. Stir it. Okay, we are done. It's our colorful and easy quick dish. I take 3 minutes to cook. Please subscribe us so you won't miss any new videos from us. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.